When your Verizon phone displays emergency calls only, it means your device has limited or no connection to the Verizon network, restricting calls to 911. This isn't a permanent failure, but a temporary state meant to ensure emergency access during service disruptions. Eco mode activates when your phone loses connection to Verizon's primary towers, often due to signal interference, SIM card issues, or broader outages. We'll explain why this happens and what Verizon is doing to fix it. Several factors can trigger emergency calls only mode on Verizon devices. These include network congestion during peak usage hours, hardware failures at Verizon facilities, software bugs in systems or devices, external factors like natural disasters, and cyber attacks on the network. Historically, Verizon's centralized routing architecture has amplified these failures. First, network congestion occurs during peak hours when too many users try to access the network simultaneously. This overloads Verizon's cell towers, leading to temporary signal loss and eco mode activation. Second, hardware failures such as router malfunctions at Verizon's data centers can cause widespread outages. These physical equipment issues disrupt the connection between devices and the network, triggering eco mode. Third, software bugs in Verizon's network systems or on user devices can cause connectivity issues. These programming errors might prevent devices from maintaining a stable signal, resulting in eco mode. Fourth, external factors like natural disasters such as hurricanes, earthquakes, or floods can damage Verizon's physical infrastructure, including towers and cables, leading to widespread eco mode. Fifth, cyber attacks on Verizon's network can intentionally disrupt services. These security breaches might overload or disable parts of the infrastructure, causing devices to enter eco mode. Finally, Verizon's historically centralized routing architecture has made failures more widespread. When one part of the system fails, it can cascade to affect large areas, leading to frequent ECO events. Following a major nationwide outage in July 2024 caused by a faulty software update, Verizon has invested heavily in improving network resilience. They've rolled out software patches, upgraded to more distributed 5G small cells, and implemented redundant servers to reduce single points of failure. Verizon also announced a $200 million investment in network resilience, including automated failover systems and AI-driven monitoring to prevent similar issues. A key part of Verizon's fix involves upgrading its infrastructure to a more distributed network. Instead of relying on large centralized towers, Verizon is deploying 5G small cells that are placed closer to users. These small cells reduce signal distance and improve reliability by distributing the network load. Redundant servers are also being implemented so that if one server fails, another can immediately take over, preventing widespread outages. Verizon emphasizes 5G reliability, using edge computing to process data closer to users and reduce network stress. This has led to significant improvements, such as a 40% reduction in outage incidents. Verizon is focusing on software improvements to prevent future outages. This includes developing more robust update protocols that carefully test software before widespread rollouts, avoiding the faulty updates that caused major disruptions. AI-driven monitoring systems use machine learning to predict potential outages and address them proactively. These systems analyze network patterns to anticipate issues before they affect users, significantly reducing downtime. Load balancing distributes network traffic across multiple servers and pathways, preventing congestion that could lead to outages. This ensures consistent performance and helps maintain service reliability. While Verizon works on network-level fixes, there are steps you can take when you see emergency calls only. Try restarting your device, toggling airplane mode on and off, or reseating your SIM card. These simple steps can often resolve minor connectivity issues. First, try restarting your device. Hold the power button and select Restart. This clears temporary glitches that might cause the emergency calls only mode. Second, toggle airplane mode. Turn it on for about 30 seconds, then turn it off. This refreshes your connection to the Verizon network and can resolve signal issues. Third, reseat your SIM card. Use the eject tool to remove the SIM card tray, take out the SIM card, and put it back in securely. Then reinsert the tray. This fixes loose connections that can cause connectivity problems. For widespread fixes, Verizon uses over-the-air updates. These are software patches sent automatically to your device. They install in the background and address network-related bugs that could cause emergency calls only mode. The trend in telecom networks is toward more resilient systems capable of handling the growing demands from IoT devices and 5G technology. This evolution ensures networks can scale without frequent disruptions. Verizon plans to deploy Open RAN technology, which allows components from multiple vendors to work together. This improves interoperability and enables faster fixes when issues arise, reducing dependency on single vendors. Experts predict that AI-driven predictive fixes will significantly reduce the triggers for emergency calls only mode. Currently, about 68% of users experience this issue at least once, but AI could cut that in half through proactive monitoring and maintenance. Looking to the future, the focus shifts to 6G networks, which promise ubiquitous connectivity. This could virtually eliminate emergency calls only mode by providing seamless, always-on connections everywhere, even in remote areas. As part of their commitment to reliability, Verizon has expanded its compensation programs. Eligible customers affected by major outages have received bill credits ranging from $10 to $20. Verizon now offers an uptime guarantee, promising refunds for prolonged eco periods exceeding 24 hours. This ensures customers are compensated for significant service disruptions. Consumers are now being educated on these programs, with apps providing real-time outage notifications. This empowers users to take proactive steps and understand their rights during service issues.